are gonna go fishing today. So let's see what we can catch. We'll grab the tackle box. Sponsored by Bass Pro Shops. Not actually, but maybe someday. Alright, got the chair. And can't fish without a rod. So I got a pink one. And we're off. Well, this should be fun. Perfect. Perfect. We made it. Okay. I think we're gonna set up right here and get fishing. Got my weight on there. I'm gonna put some minnows or worms and cast it out. My minnows are still very frozen, so we're just gonna use worms right now. And hopefully the sturgeon want that. I'm gonna use 2 full ones. I'll put those on and then we'll see how she goes. Now we're gonna cast. We'll see what we can get. We're gonna check it and see, because it's been a little bit and I don't know if I had any bites yet. Here we are. I don't want to hold him by his gills, but we got one. Mwah. Sick! Alright. First cast. Probably sat for like 5 minutes. And I seen it bounce a few times, but I can't tell sometimes because it's pretty windy out today. And I forgot my bells, which was dumb. But I was like, I better check it anyways just to see. And we got a sturgeon. Small one, but it's on there. Yay! Notice if they fall back up again. Looks like it's not too knotted up, which is good. I'll just throw another worm on. I'll just do half. Because I don't want to waste my worms since my minnows are frozen. And my hands are already cold. Let her run for a bit. On to the second sturgeon. I'm so excited. So excited, so excited. I think I just seen a couple taps. I don't even know if you can see my rod. Oh yeah. Anything on here. Cast it a little bit shallower. Sturgeon number 2. Number 2. Oh, nope, still there. I gotta re-tie everything because he tangled my last one up so bad that I couldn't get it out. So now to redo it and cast again. Fun little sturgeon fact, I guess I should say facts, is sturgeon can grow up to 2 meters, which is like 6 feet or over 6 feet, which is huge. And they are an endangered species because they're slow to reproduce. And the reason why they're slow to reproduce is because the males take 15 to 20 years, I think it is, until they're able to start reproducing. And the females take like, I think it's 10 to 20 years or 20 to 30 years to start reproducing. So that's why they are endangered. And they're bottom feeders, which is why they got the gross lips that go like this. But they're so cool. And they can live like past 100 years old. So when you catch a real big one, you know he's old. Okay. Well, that was a good day of fishing. Caught 3 sturgeon. It's cold. And now we're gonna head home and eat some supper. Alright, we just finished fishing, packing everything up. It was a good day today. We got 3 sturgeon. They're small, but it was still a good day today. And my hands are frozen. But I'm glad that we got to go out and fish for a bit, a couple hours. And yeah, it was a good day. I'm happy you guys could come with me, and until next time, maybe we'll catch a bigger one.